Welcome! I'm going to show you how to edit the PNG version of the ornament mockup in Pixlr. So go to pixlr.com in any web browser, pixlr.com. It'll give you a couple of choices. We'll click on the Pixlr X1, and then we'll click the Open Image button on the left hand side to open up the ornament mockup. And then we'll choose the PNG version. It's going to ask us if we want to size the mockup down. We don't really want to do that, so we'll just click Original and then click Apply to open the original size. And we want to add our image behind this. So to add the image, we'll click on this icon with the mountains that says Add Image when you hover over it, and then click Browse, and then find your design. It'll ask if you want to create a new document or add the image to the current document, so we'll click Add Current. And we probably want to resize that, so to do that we'll hold on the Shift key to keep it proportional, and then just click and drag any one of the four corners. And once you've got it sized about right, you'll see when you hover over it, you get this tool with the four arrows, the Move tool. Once you see that, you can just kind of click and drag it into place. And we actually want to put this behind the image of the Christmas tree. So we need to unlock the bottom layer. To do that, we can double click the padlock icon. Or you could click this icon with the three dots to open the layer settings menu, and then click Unlocked right here if it was locked. And once you've done that, you can just click on the top layer and just drag it underneath the bottom layer. I'm just pressing the arrow keys on the keyboard to move it over a little bit. Okay, and that's all there is to adding your design to the PNG version of the ornament mockup in Pixlr. When you're done, you can just click this Save button at the bottom. If you're going to use this as a thumbnail like on Etsy, you'll probably want to save a version as a JPEG. So we'll click JPG and change the quality to 100. We'll leave it on high and then just click Download. And it's just going to let us know the image was saved to our default download folder, and it'll give us an option to change that if we want to do that. If you want to save a layered Pixlr document, you can come back here and click Save again. And this time just click PXD and then click Download again. Please message me at melissabmockups.com if you have any questions. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you get updates to future videos. And as always, this mockup and other mockups are available at melissabmockups.com. Thank you.